So we'll see an example. So the question is, a shopkeeper increases the price of a cell phone of cost rupees 23,000 by 35% and then gives a discount of 15%. Find the gain percentage. So here the price of the cell phone is given as 23,000. The price is increased by 35% and then a discount is given of 15%. The overall gain percent is asked. So we can use the XY concept and solve this. So we'll see how to solve this. So we saw whenever there are two changes, you can use the XY concept and find out the net profit or loss percent. So here it is increased by 35% and then discount 15% is given. So we are asked to find the gain percentage. So just using this XY concept we can work out. So no need to consider the cost of the cell phone at all. So with this given percentages itself, we can get the net gain percentage. So cost price is given as rupees 23,000. So first it is increased by 35% and then a discount is given of 15%. So what is the net gain percentage? So obviously as increase is more, so it will be net gain only. So using the XY concept we can find the net gain percent and no need to use this cost price at all. So what is the concept? So for one increase and one decrease, that is X minus Y. So one increase plus, so if it is decrease minus, so minus XY by 100%. So hereby using this XY concept we can find the gain percentage. So increase is 35, discount is 15. So minus 35 minus 15. So 35 minus 15 is 20. So minus product of 35 and 15. So to multiply a number with 15, so you put 1 0 and add half of this, the product of a number with 15. So put 1 0 to the given number and add half of this. It is like multiplying the number with 10 and then multiplying it with 5. So 5 means 10 by 2, half of 10, that is 5. So 525 is the product. So here it is 525 by 100 or 5.25. So to find the net gain percent, 20 minus 5.25 will give you the net gain percentage. So which is equal to net gain percentage is equal to 14.75%. So without using this cost price, so we have found the net gain percent. So using the XY concept. So one increase, one decrease. So we have used X minus Y minus XY by 100 to arrive at the answer. So we'll see the next question. So the question is, a person sells 2 chairs at rupees 3,875 each. So by selling one chair, he gets 15% profit, and the other chair, he gets 15% loss. So find the effect. It was whether nil or gain percent or loss percent. So we'll see the working. So the person sells 2 chairs for same price. So selling price is given as, so both the selling prices are same. And by selling one chair, he is getting 15% profit, and in the other, he is getting 15% loss. So same percent profit, same percent loss is given. So we are asked to find whether it is overall profit or overall loss or nil effect. So we have already seen that when selling prices are same, when same percent profit, same percent loss is given, the effect will be always loss percent. And that too, loss percent will be equal to x by 10 the whole square, where x is same percent profit or loss. So we saw when one increase, one decrease, that is x minus y minus xy by 100 will be the net percent. So according to the overall sign, we'll decide whether it is overall profit or loss. So here, same percent profit, same percent loss. So if we take x percent increase, x percent decrease, or x percent profit, x percent loss, so that is x minus x. So the overall sign is minus. So it means that overall it is a loss, x square by 100 or x square by 10% loss. So this question repeatedly they ask, so they give the selling prices also, so but no need to consider the selling price and all. So whenever you have same percent profit or loss, so you can remember this like formula also. So same percent profit, same percent loss, so it will be always loss equal to x by 10 the whole square percent. And now using the same concept, so we'll see what is the overall effect. So in this it is 15% profit, 15% loss, that is same percent profit loss. Overall effect will be loss. So always loss only equal to 15 by 10 the whole square percent. So that is 1.5 square percent, or 15 square is 225. So by 100 it is 2.25% loss. So by selling two chairs for same price, that is 3,875, so same percent profit, same percent loss, the person will realize he will incur 2.25% loss. We'll see the next example. So the question is, Kamya purchased an item for rupees 46,000 and sold it at a loss of 12%. With that amount, she purchased another item and sold it at gain of rupees 12%. So what was her overall gain or loss value? So in this question, they have asked the loss value. So this question was asked in Allahabad Bank PO exam 2011. So we have seen that same percent profit, same percent loss, when it is implied on the same article or when selling prices are same, so just it will be overall loss equal to x by 10 the whole square percent. So that already we saw in the previous example. So in this question, so Kamya purchases an item for 46,000 and sells it at loss at 12%. So with that money, she buys another item. So here the concept also comes as the same. So whenever values increase in an article and again the same article, the increased value is increased again. So here same percent increase, and if it is decreased again, it will be overall loss. So this concept also is same as the one. So for 46,000 she sells at some price with loss, and with that amount she buys another item and sells it at gain percent. So we can use the same loss percent, which will be equal to x by 10 the whole square. So here she buys an article for 46,000 and sells it at 12% loss. So earlier we saw x percent increase and x percent decrease. Or first x percent profit and then x percent loss. So same percent profit, same percent loss implied on the same article or when selling prices are same, so it will be overall loss equal to x by 10 the whole square percent. So here also, so first it is for loss percent, so 12% loss, and then it is sold at gain 12%. So then also overall effect will be the same loss percent. So one article is bought and it is sold, and instead of the same article, so that cost, another item is bought which is sold at 12% gain. So you can use the same concept here also. So we found the net gain percent was x by 10, the net loss percent was x by 10 the whole square percent. So but in this question, so we are asked to find overall gain or loss value. Here it is only the loss value. So with the percentages, so first 12% loss and then 12% gain. So which will be the same as 12% gain first and 12% loss. So we know that it is x by 10 the whole square percent loss. And here same percent profit, same percent loss value is 12. So 12 by 10 the whole square percent. So 12 by 10 is 1.2. 1.2 square is 1.44% loss. So now we need the value, that is 1.44% of 46,000. So now we know that it is overall loss and the loss value is by 1.44%. So earlier questions only net gain or loss percent was asked. Here the value is asked. So we need to compute the value. So it is 1.44%, that is 1.44 by 100, the loss value. So now multiplying we get the loss value, but without multiplying with the options itself we can get the answer. So I will tell you the trick how to find the answer. So we know that it is loss and we have two options which has loss value. So one is loss of rupees 662.40 and the other is loss of rupees 642.80. And the trick here is, so whenever you multiply 6 with any even number, so the final effect or the unit place will be only the same even number. Say for example, if you multiply 6 into 2, it is 12, so we get the same even number. So if it is 6 into 8, it is 48, we get the same even number. The same pattern we can use here also. So avoiding the 0, so 6 into 4, the answer should end with 4 and we have option A which ends with 4. So answer should be option A, so which is of loss. So 662.40 will be the answer. So without working we have found the value, and here so as Kamya purchases an item for 46,000, sells it at loss, with that amount she buys another item. So here also the concept is same. So we can use that same percent profit, same percent loss is always loss, and we have got the value. So we'll see the next concept.